So now we had a we've got the stocks. What's up, guys? How you doing? Sartorio Hector, Stock Market Savage. So higher lows and higher highs. Higher lows and higher highs, y'all. We're getting higher lows and higher highs, which is an indicator that, we're getting ready to head back up. We're getting ready to head back up for sure. It's gonna be a long day. I'm sure this has been a turbulent week for everybody. Okay. And they're like this. What's good? What's happening? Stock market savage. It's one of them days, man. Portfolio taking a beat. We taking a beat, and I ain't gonna lie. And I'm truly just, I'm truly just, you know what I'm saying, trying to really keep my head above water right now. I'm just the honest to God truth. I'm just trying to keep my head above water right now. Shout out to everybody. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. One thing for sure, two things for certain. Whatever happens, it's gonna happen, and y'all gonna see it live and direct. This is my reality YouTube story. What's up? What's up, Lat? Lakshi Kumar. You know what, Lakshi? I can share what I know. I wouldn't say I can teach you. I'm still learning, bro. But I can share what I know. I definitely can share what I know. And I can tell you what I'm doing. And right now, I'm buying Robinhood. I'm buying Palantir. And I'm thinking that Nvidia is going to come down some more. And I'm going to buy Nvidia. Because I feel like next week, they're going to be through the roof, bro. By come next Friday, Nvidia, Palantir, they're going to be back at almost 200 a share, in my opinion. This is my opinion. I do not give investment advice. This is just my opinion. And I'm saying, in my opinion, I truly believe that, look, bro. I got limit buys set right here. I got limit buys set right here. I want to buy this. I'm going to buy it if it even if they don't come down to my limit price before the day is over with, I will be buying Palantir and I will be buying Robinhood at these prices. Um, yeah, these are the stocks that I own. If anybody who wants to know what I own, these are the stocks that I own right now, guys. This is what I personally these are the stocks I personally own. I own Polo. I own Macy's. These are the companies that I own, guys. I own Agnico Eagle Mines. These are the companies that I own, guys. Those are all the companies that I own. I trade in and out of a lot more stocks than that, but that's what I own. That's my buy and hold. That's my buy and hold portfolio. Yep, that's my buy and hold portfolio. So if you missed it, go back, rewatch the live. You can see every stock that I own. You can research them yourself. You can see if they suit your investment strategies. My investment strategies is to run a bag up. My objective is to trade for a living. I have a year to prove myself. I've been approved for 1 year of unemployment. 1 year. So I'm going to be collecting unemployment for a year. And during this year, I'm going to see if teach myself how to trade. When my unemployment checks run out, if I'm not profitable and I'm not able to trade for a living and pay my bills, you'll know because you'll see me going back to work. But I'm getting ready to launch my painting and renovation business. So I'm getting ready to build my company. I like doing construction. It's not something that I don't like doing. I like trading better, but if I'm the boss and I'm running a construction company, I can still trade on the clock. I still got my cannabis company, my cannabis strains. I do breed cannabis. I don't want to have my financial literacy channel banned or blocked, so I really don't discuss it. But anybody who wants to contact me on Instagram or in the direct message on Instagram or Facebook, if you grow cannabis, if you're interested in growing, if you do grow and you want to try out some different strains that nobody else has, contact me, tap in with me. Look, NVIDIA coming down. That's what I wanted to do. hmm Let me put me a limit buy on NVIDIA. I want 10 shares when that shit hit 174. I'm about to rock their ass to sleep. rock they ass to sleep. I don't give a fuck about harvest. I harvest some losses in a minute. That's gonna offset. I made 35,000 in realized profits already. So me taking some losses, I could write that off. I said I was feeling tired. When I say that, bro, you know I'm smoking this shit. I need y'all to I'm getting ready to stop drinking, y'all. I'm giving up alcohol. I feel like I'm just gonna smoke the sacred herb. Oh, you feeling tired? Lenonos. You gotta energize, bro. Un tasse de café. I grow my own, bro. I got to grow my own. I don't use chemicals, bro. It's all organic. Look at this shit. That shit coming down. It's gonna come down. I would be putting puts in. I wish I could day trade. I'd be smacking their ass around. I'd be smacking all day. They locked me. They did. They drove my shit down. I'm a stock market conspiracy theorist, bro. I don't give a fuck. They don't. They will push you out the fucking market. It ain't even personal. And the little guys like us, man, you better be a savage. You better be a fucking savage. You better be a savage. That's why I call myself the stock market savage. You better be a fucking savage. They play a cold game. I already had an account. I blew up an account years ago. I said fuck that shit too, and I stopped trading. I went to crypto, man. I was trading crypto. I was making money. I make money off crypto. Them little altcoins, cause bro, people don't understand cents turn into dollars and thousands of cents turn into hundreds of dollars and flipping money is flipping money, bro. When you came from the streets trying to sell drugs, you trying to double up off a 8 ball, a crack, putting your ass on the line, taking a chance on going to jail, being away from your family, being away from the people you love. Somebody die in your family, you can't go bury them. Fuck that shit. I'd rather I'd rather go work hard for my money and take a chance on losing it in the market. Take a chance on losing my life in the streets, trying to turn a 1,000 into 2,000 with some heroin or some cocaine, man. That's the dumbass life a brother was living, though. When I talk about it in my music, I be talking up. That's how excuse me. And if I'm loud in my broadcast, y'all, this is what my life in the streets caused me. I got in a car accident and got threw out the car. My head was crushed. I had broken bones in my skull. I died. God brought me back. My ears be locking up because my eardrums got blew out. And they close up and I be loud as fuck. I don't even know I be loud because my ears be done locked out. And the only way I could open them up is to hold my nose and blow them bitches out. That's what life in the streets get you. And man, this is legit money right here. This the real fast money. This legit paper, like EC Ray say. I got limit buys. If it don't come to my limit buys, I'm still buying this shit. It's still cheap. I'm gonna get it cheaper. I play the game. I'm gonna take the money You take the profits. If I can't get back in this shit because I took the profits as opposed to losing the profits and watching this shit as a trader, as an investor holding your stocks for the long term, you can't move like I move. If you're going to invest, you want to buy these stocks and never sell them right at these levels. 20 years from now, 10 years from now, if you buy these shits at this level and hold them, if you buy these stocks at these levels right now and forget about them, and every time you get a couple dollars, buy more and hold them in 10 years, in 15 years, in 20 years, you will be rich as fuck. Period. This is what you hold. That's what you hold just in case the market goes down. When the market goes down, the VIX goes up. Do you see the VIX has dropped from 40 down back to 30? Because the market is going back up. The market's going back up. The VIX is going back down. The market is going back up. The market is going back up everywhere. The VIX is going back down. The market is going back up. All of these other stocks, the market is going back up. The VIX is going down, y'all. Look, you buy the VIX at its lowest price and hold it. You buy the VIX when it's at 37, at 33. You buy the VIX at the low prices and just hold that shit. Don't even pay it no attention, because if the market go down, this is where you're going to make your money. So as an investor who doesn't trade, you always hold shares of the VIX, y'all. If you holding your stocks for 10, 15, 20 years, but you just hold shares of the VIX, it don't matter. When your stocks go down, you can buy more. You can buy more with the profit that you're making from your VIX. Hello. Buy the fucking VIX, in my opinion, and just hold it. Just get as many shares of the VIX. You in 2022, the VIX hit like $4,000 a share. So if you had 100 shares, you made 400,000. Period. You try to get 100 shares or more of the VIX when it's as low as possible at the cheapest price you can get it at, and just hold them motherfuckers. Because if the market go down, your VIX is definitely going to go up. I just sold this shit at 40 something dollars a share. I bought it at 33. Look, I sold it just now up here. I bought it way below that. I bought it at 33. I just sold it at 40. I had like 70 something shares. I've been selling VIX shares since last week to buy shit. I really had over 100 shares. I'll try to keep 100 shares of the VIX. As soon as it go back down, I'm about to buy all the shit I just sold right back. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what the fuck I do. Fuck that money in the street. That shit in the street can't compare to this. Just Neek. What's up, Neek? Trading the market. You heard me? I'm in here getting to this paper. They rocking motherfuckers to sleep. They dropping motherfuckers, man. They skip motherfuckers stopped out they shit. I ain't got no stop, bitch. Bitch, I ain't put no stop for you to read. I'm waiting on Robin Hood right now. Robin Hood play a dirty game. They're gonna play me my motherfucking money. Y'all better watch Robin Hood. So I'm trading on Robin Hood. I trade from my phone and I watch the screen. So this morning, Robin Hood stock hit 102. Now I got a put option. So I mean my shit supposed to be in the money. On my mobile phone, it's showing like it ain't in the money, but on the screen, I'm seeing where it's in the money. Bitch, give me my money, man. And they taking forever to call me back. I'm waiting on a call back from Robin Hood right now. They taking forever. That motherfucker hit 102. I got screenshots. They gonna give me my motherfucking money. I bet you. I'ma expose their ass to the trade commission. They playing a dirty game. How the fuck the price ain't the same on the legend screen that it is in my motherfucking mobile app. They got the right motherfucking thinking that I'm a nigga. Also, you know what? They be trying to get so much shit off on black people. I'm so glad that my mother and my daddy was white because I don't be falling for that shit. I was raised by a white man. I be catching all they bullshit. And I'm a Native American. What the fuck is wrong with them? You could get that shit off on some of them motherfuckers that don't know how to read and don't pay attention. Motherfuckers be trying to trade stock and all that shit. They can't even read. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all. They ain't even the price on the Robin Hood legend. So Robin Hood, watch them, man. They try to be real slick. If you trade on Robin Hood, watch them flat out. And you can talk to somebody. You gotta start the conversation in the chat inside the app. You go inside the Robinhood app, you go to where you can say ask for help and you go to the chats. You start the chat and then you tell them you want a call back and they'll pop up a thing for you to request a call back. Robinhood play a dirty game, but I'm gonna get rich off these motherfuckers because I'm gonna own a shit ton of they motherfucking stock. Now, watch, I'm gonna own a shit ton of their stock. I'm gonna fucking trade it. I'm gonna own it. I'm gonna fucking do stock options contracts on it, and they gonna quit fucking playing. Or their ass gonna be before the trade commission on everything. How the fuck? I'm watching on the screen Robinhood stock in the legend saying it's at 102, but my option contract, so my option contract's supposed to be in the money, but why is it not in the money? I can't. I'm not. Yeah, I'm on top of all that. I'm on top of all that, bro. I do this. Like I study. I study. If I'm gonna do something, one thing about it, if I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna commit to it. And if I'm gonna commit to it, that's a relationship. That's whatever. I'm gonna commit to it. So if once I commit, I'm all in. That's just me. I'm all in. Once I commit, I'm all in. That's how I was with the gang. That's how I was with the streets, with the hustle. And that's how I'm with the stock shit. I'm on top of my money. I pay attention. I'm on top of what I feel like is mine. They better they better quit fucking playing with me. You know why they ain't call me back yet? Cause they getting that shit right. So when they call me, cause I got the screenshots, they gonna give me my money, or they just gonna give me my money for the option contract and cancel it out. But you ain't never finna cheat me. You gonna give my money with my profit. I don't give a fuck if it's my money back with $10 profit. 15. You ain't finna never close that option contract out and I don't get my bread. And I watched that bitch and saw it in the money and I screenshotted it. They crazy. I fucking doubt it. I'm out to shut this down. I'll be right back, y'all. I'm having some technical difficulties. Like and subscribe. At 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving $1,000 away. We gonna have randomly select 10 people, and I'm gonna give them $100. This shit real. This what I'm doing. This shit.